Welcome to Ulosca channel. Access all WGU practice questions. Organizational behavior practice questions with answers.
Question 1. Which of the following best describes organizational behavior? A. Study of how organizations are structured. B. Study of individual and group behavior in organizational settings. C. Study of financial management in organizations. D. Study of organizational technology. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Study of individual and group behavior in organizational settings. Explanation. Organizational behavior is an interdisciplinary field that examines how individuals, groups, and structures impact behavior within organizations, with the aim of improving effectiveness and well-being. Question 2. Which theory focuses on the hierarchy of human needs? A. Herzberg's two-factor theory. B. Maslow's hierarchy of needs. C. McGregor's theory X and theory Y. D. Equity theory. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Explanation. Maslow's model outlines a pyramid of human needs, from basic physiological needs to self-actualization, showing that people are motivated to fulfill lower needs before higher-level growth needs. Question 3. In the Big Five personality traits, conscientiousness refers to A. Sociability and talkativeness. B. Dependability and attention to detail. C. Emotional stability. D. Creativity and openness to new ideas. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Dependability and attention to detail. Explanation. Conscientiousness reflects traits such as organization, responsibility, and reliability, which are strongly linked to job performance in many roles. Question 4. Which leadership style involves making decisions without consulting employees? A. Laissez-faire. B. Democratic. C. Autocratic. D. Transformational. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. Autocratic. Explanation. Autocratic leaders make unilateral decisions, often providing clear direction and control, but potentially reducing employee engagement and creativity. Question 5. In organizational behavior, what does job satisfaction measure? A. The level of productivity of an employee. B. The emotional response to one's job. C. The skills required for a position. D. The pay and benefits offered. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. The emotional response to one's job. Explanation. Job satisfaction measures how content an individual is with their job, encompassing feelings about tasks, work environment, compensation, and career prospects. Question 6. Which conflict management style seeks a win-win solution? A. Avoiding. B. Compromising. C. Collaborating. D. Competing. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. Collaborating. Explanation. Collaboration involves addressing the needs of all parties to find a mutually beneficial solution, often requiring open communication and creativity. Question 7. According to Herzberg's two-factor theory, which of the following is a hygiene factor? A. Recognition. B. Achievement. C. Company policies. D. Personal growth. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. Company policies. Explanation. Hygiene factors, like company policies and salary, prevent dissatisfaction but do not necessarily increase motivation when improved. Question 8. Emotional intelligence in the workplace involves A. Technical expertise in one's field. B. Understanding and managing emotions in oneself and others. C. Knowledge of organizational rules. D. Strategic planning skills. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Understanding and managing emotions in oneself and others. Explanation. Emotional intelligence is the ability to recognize, understand, and regulate emotions in oneself and others, leading to better teamwork, leadership, and conflict resolution. Question 9. Which organizational structure is characterized by high specialization and clear chain of command? A. Matrix. B. Functional. C. Divisional. D. Network. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Functional. Explanation. A functional structure organizes employees by specialized roles, creating efficiency and expertise, but sometimes limiting cross-department collaboration. Question 10. What is the main focus of McGregor's Theory X and Theory Y? A. Decision-making styles of leaders. B. Employee motivation assumptions. C. Communication channels in organizations. D. Job design. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Employee motivation assumptions. Explanation. This theory describes two contrasting views. Theory X assumes employees dislike work and need control, while Theory Y assumes they are self-motivated and thrive with autonomy.
Thank you for watching. For more practice exam questions, subscribe to our website at www.ulosca.com.